Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer review. Hey guys, I'm Stacy from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to be reviewing the Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer. You can find links to the products in the description, and you can use the links to check the latest prices and user reviews. Make sure to watch until the end to know our final verdict whether the Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer is worth it. Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer overview. Ryobi has over the years established itself as a household name when it comes to manufacturing high-quality machines. Founded in Fuchu, Hiroshima in 1943, the company has followed some of the highest standards of quality on the market, and this has boosted the demand for its products. The Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer is a Homelite product made under the Ryobi brand and uses the same lime green bright color associated with the brand. The Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer was launched as an improved replacement of the Ryobi 24 volt string trimmer with better power, as it's marketed as being capable to cover more ground in a single charge. It's designed for homeowners that are looking for the power of a corded tool, but with a cordless tool's convenience when it comes to keeping their yards weed-free. The Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer is Ryobi's highest powered trimmer, carrying almost twice as much battery capacity as its predecessor. A powerful 40 volt lithium-ion battery that is capable of holding charge for up to an acre of a yard. Besides, you get a line size of 0.08 inches, a real easy bump-free string head for faster reloads only found on gas trimmers, a 15-inch cutting width that's adjustable between 13 to 15 inches for longer runtime, and a variable speed trigger. The trigger stands out with its safety features that requires pulling on the top and bottom of the handle at the same time. This makes the trimmer safer when it comes to use. The Ryobi 40 volt is a versatile machine, thus comes with various attachments that when attached to its head, makes it convenient for carrying out various tasks, and it will. Therefore, work as a snow thrower and a sweeper, and as an act of confidence and trust in the functionality of the trimmer. The Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer comes slapped with a 5-year warranty and about 3 years warranty dedicated to the battery. What we liked: increased 40 voltage battery capacity capable of handling yards of up to an acre, relatively quiet compared to most trimmers on the market, an overall improvement on the 24 volt trimmer in all aspects, distributed weight due to the perfect positioning of the battery holster. What we did not like: doesn't come with a shoulder strap despite having a place for it. Things you should know about the Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer. The Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer was meant to solve most of the issues many encountered with the 24 volt. However, most buyers, while impressed with the 40 volt improved features, there are some structural concerns that tend to compromise on the usability of the trimmer. Most of the machine users have therefore complained of it being heavier than the 24 volt and lacks the capability to hold a charge for more than 20 minutes on the first use, but gets better with other charges. The construction of the trimmer did not give men to the left-hand users, and who have complained of the handle slanted design, while the left-handed or neutral version is not available. Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer specifications. You will note that the Ryobi 40 volt has one of the most powerful battery capacities for a battery-powered trimmer at 40 volts, only likened to a gas-powered one. The trimmer is quite heavy at 13.37 pounds, but it compensates this with perfectly positioned battery holster that you can even rest the elbow on while running it. User reviews. What other users are saying about the Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer. Lunoki says, "A few days ago I did string trimming, edging, and used the blower for about 20 to 25 minutes in total, and still had some juice left to spare." Grace says, "Ryobi is the trimmer I use. I have the 40 volt that the head pivots and can be used as an edger with a wheel attached. I'm small and I don't have much upper body strength to do the edging holding the edger upright." Brian says, "I've got the Ryobi string trimmer and edger, turbo blower, and hedge trimmer, and I love them. I buy a second battery. Only problem I have is the fall when leaves fall and I run out of juice." Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer features. Power. The Ryobi 40 volt is cordless and battery-powered string trimmer that's gas-like with a massive 40 volt 4.0 Ah lithium-ion battery capacity with the ability to hold a charge for as long as up to 90 minutes. This kind of battery capacity is enough to comfortably cover up to an acre of a yard without running out of juice for up to 1.5 hours. For a trimmer of this size, you need a charger for recharging the battery, which takes about 2 hours to fully charge. The battery comes with a compact slide-on style charger that also acts as a portable power station, producing 2.1 amps of output. Comfort. The Ryobi 40 volt trimmer comes with an ergonomic look, including an ergonomic grip with rubber over molding for comfort. In addition, it has a responsive variable speed trigger that rolls the timer up immediately. To set the height on, the trimmer has incorporated a padded U-shaped grip that enables for a good balance between the desired trimming position and the user's height when it comes to the tool providing comfort for extended use. The machine is quite comfortable to use given that it doesn't produce the vibrations of the typical gas-powered trimmer. When it comes to its head, the Ryobi 40 volt uses a traditional bump feed design and a 0.08 of an inch line. The unit comes with the lines of different lengths but compatible with any trimmer line size, and changing the line is the coolest part. Though heavier than the 24 volt due to the battery, this model has perfectly placed the battery holster, allowing the user to rest their elbow on it while using the trimmer. The trigger doubles up as a safety trigger by requiring the user to pull both triggers at the top and bottom of the handle at the same time. This is crucial when it comes to safety, especially after being done with it. Cutting width. The Ryobi 40 volt trimmer comes with a 15-inch cutting width, which can be comfortably used to clear the overgrown turf on your yard, and in the hardest to trim areas such as around trees, among other non-movable objects such as pavements. One of its best features is integrated Real Easy technology that allows the user to lock in the unit's head into the feed position, feed in the 16-inch line, and then center it. Next, use the plastic crank as a spanner wrench. The head's cut swath is adjustable between 13 and 15 inches by moving the cutting blade on the head guard. Noise. The trimmer is battery powered, thus relatively less noisy than both the gas powered trimmers and the 24 volt trimmer. Users can therefore derive the perfect cosmetic look for their lawns or gardens without necessarily disturbing their neighbors, among other road users, by polluting the air with noise from the trimmer. Verdict. So is the Ryobi 40 volt worth it? If you're looking for a serious trimmer, then there's nothing on the market that matches the Ryobi 4 volts. Its 40 volts 4.0 Ah lithium-ion battery is capable of holding a charge and producing enough power for up to 90 minutes. This is adequate to meet a homeowner's requirements for a yard up to an acre. The head is versatile enough to accommodate different line sizes than the 0.08 inch line it comes with. The trimmer has a balanced battery weight to reduce fatigue while running it. It also comes with a safety trigger, and lastly, the trimmer comes with various attachments that allows it to be used for various tasks. Close competitors. One of the Ryobi's close competitors is the Echo 2 string trimmer that has a battery capacity of 58 volts. This is 18 volts higher than the Ryobi 40 volt. However, the closest rival to the Ryobi 40 volt is actually its predecessor, the Ryobi 24 volt. For one, both trimmers feature an adjustable cutting swath, no bump head, etc. However, the Ryobi 40 volt outperforms the Ryobi 24 volt by offering a 40 volt battery capacity, 15-inch cutting width, and 13 and 15-inch cutting swath. The result is 16 volts more and an increased cutting width of 4 to 2 inches depending on the unit. The additional battery capacity, however, comes at an additional cost, as it puts an extra 25 pounds to the overall weight of the machine. How do you clear weeds in your yard? Would you consider purchasing the Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you on the next one!